Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to put a Wix website under construction. So first is you have to go to your editor settings, and once you're here, just click on the side pages and menu, and once you've done that, just click on the add menu item and then click on new page. Okay, that's right. And then right here, you just have to click on the add blank page at the top. So this one. And once you've done that, the blank page will be added to your website. Okay. And then after that, you have to go back here and then just rename this new page to maintenance, for example. And then just click on done or hit enter. Now click on the three dots and click on settings. And for your page info, you can edit right here the things that you want and make sure to toggle the switch on to hide from the menu bar. Okay. And then after that, just go to the layout and make sure to choose the no header and footer. Okay, and then go to the permissions if you want to explore more about this, and for the SEO basics, then you can close this one. So right here, you can add the sign section. So just click on it. Then after that, you'd be able to see here different templates. So see, for example, I want to use this a simple one and then remove all of the text and then change the word to under maintenance. Okay, so see, for example, I only need this text. So I'll be typing out under maintenance. And after that, your visitors will be able to see this page and be able to know that your page or website is under maintenance. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.